Hi there, Beckie Belote from Newport News, Virginia, and I want to show you some tips and tricks with this bad boy. It's our new border maker cartridge. It's got some little cars and trucks on it. Take a look. All right, so as you know, you just throw your paper in the tray. I'm going to do this fast because I think you all know how to use the border maker. This is a tool that you literally can do with your eyes shut because there's only one place for this guy to go. And so very fast and easy. And then you have this really cute, I don't know, actually, let me put it on something that you can see a little bit better. Okay, so you can get that little look. Now, I also wanted to show you something else you might want to use. If you love this tool, and I do, take another peek. So what if put this right back in, and I didn't measure this, I just kind of eyeballed it like where I wanted it to go. Like you can pretty much see what it's going to look like when you cut. Because the blade is here and you can see through the ruler here to see what's going to be left. So I'm just going to get it the way I like it, make sure it looks kind of level to me. And I'm just going to whack away. And now I'll show you what you get. How cute is that? All right, so that's a different look that you can do. Another thing that I wanted to show you how to do, I don't know if you've tried the tulip punch to get to do 2 punches so that you can get all the different colored flowers. This one's going to work very similar. If you want different color cars, you're just going to use this as a free punch. So I'm going to do a punch of the blue. I'm going to do a punch of the purple, and you might need more than 1 punch, but I'm just doing this fast. And then you're going to need a pair of straight scissors, and you're going to cut off the cars and trucks. So I'm just going to go right like this and cut those guys right off. And then you can stick them on your border. So take a look. So here's my border. Here's my little cars. Let's see, this is a truck. So I'm going to put some adhesive on my truck and then put this guy on top. Okay, here's a car. Here's a car over here. I'm going to put some adhesive on the car, and then, on that, and then that way you can make a border with different color cars. Is that super easy? I hope you like that, and enjoy your new punch. Bye.